Today, we're going to compare the Daily Tasks page to the My Tasks page. We will review their various use cases and discuss the best time to use each page. Let's start with the Daily Tasks page. The first thing to keep in mind is that all tasks are organized into projects, regardless of which page you're viewing. You'll notice on the left sidebar that we have the Dev Team Sprint project selected. You'll notice I'm in two other projects, HR and Personal. The tasks you're viewing on the right side are in the Dev Team Sprint project, since that's the project I've selected. The Daily Tasks page contains all the tasks for the project. This means you'll see all tasks regardless of who they're assigned to. Notice in the Assignee column, you'll see tasks assigned to me, Alistair, along with tasks assigned to my coworkers, Jeremiah, David, and Sarmit. Let's navigate over to the My Tasks page to compare it. You'll notice the My Tasks page looks fairly different. The first thing you'll notice is that I've got my big 3 tasks pinned to the top of the page. These are the most important tasks for me to complete today. If I get these done, I can call my day a success. These big 3 are core to our philosophy of getting important things done, and they're how our app got its name, 3 Big Things. Below, you'll notice the tasks are grouped by the projects I'm in. You'll also notice I'm only seeing tasks assigned to me. That's the other unique feature of the My Tasks page. I'm only viewing my own tasks, thus giving me a more focused view than the Daily Tasks page. To note, the tasks highlighted in yellow are the ones I've pinned to my big 3. So when should I use Daily Tasks or My Tasks? It makes sense to stay on the My Tasks page when you're in focus mode, so you're not distracted by the tasks assigned to other users on your team. However, when you're working with your team, you may need to coordinate with them, in which case you'll need to switch to the Daily Tasks page and read the comments on their tasks. Also, it's possible one of your tasks may get reassigned to another team member by your manager. If you had a task, but you can no longer find it while on the My Tasks page, navigate over to Daily Tasks to check who it's been assigned to. Also, keep in mind that your task may have been marked as completed, so be sure to turn on the Show Completed filter and check there. At a high level, that covers how to use both the Daily Tasks and My Tasks pages and concludes this video. Thanks for watching.